Hi, this is Kit Welchlin and welcome to SeminarsOnStress.com. Today's video blog is on stress management. The question is, how about being polite? Kit, I heard you deliver a presentation entitled Restoring Civil Discourse, Professionalism in the Workplace. Hey, that would be nice. You know what else would be nice? If people still had some manners, demonstrated common courtesies, and practiced some level of etiquette, and were at least, somewhat polite. It bugs me when people aren't polite. I know what you mean. Politeness reflects the behaviors that are respectful and considerate of other people. Being polite doesn't cost us any money. It's free, but the rewards are many. Consider being consistently friendly and helpful, smiling easily, greeting others, saying thank you, you're welcome, or pardon me. Practice phone etiquette too, and open doors for others. When we are polite to others, they will be polite to us. When we are polite to others, we assume they'll probably like us, so we in turn like them. Why not keep our self-image positive by being courteous to others? In other words, you know the golden rule, do unto others as you would have them do unto you, or the platinum rule, do unto others as they would like to be done unto. But did you know it can help us manage our stress? Just the simple act of smiling has a positive impact on our attitude and our emotional well-being. Smiling transmits nerve impulses from our facial muscles to the limbic system, tilting neurochemical balance toward calm. So don't forget to be polite at work too. When we take the time to work positively and constructively with our coworkers, we'll feel better, and it acts as a reinforcement to our own self-worth. You know what? I will be the role model for politeness at work and at home, saying please and thank you, good morning, and it was my pleasure. I feel less stress already. It'll probably rub off on others, at least I hope so. Thank you for watching this video blog on stress management. And the question was, how about being polite? Being polite is free and freeing. Common courtesies go a long way in nurturing professional and personal relationships. If you and your coworkers are suffering from significant stress, contact me at kit@SeminarsOnStress.com and I will deliver a presentation packed with dozens of stress management strategies. Check back to SeminarsOnStress.com regularly for a new video blog.